In this video, I want to show you how to download fire data from Fire Information for Resource Management System and visualize it in GIS software. To do that, open your browser and open a new tab. So search for Fire Information for Resource Management System and press enter. So it will bring this page. Click on this very link. Click on it. It will open this Add Data page. Then to go to the main page, scroll down and come to this Launch Fire Information for Resource Management System Global. Click on it. It will open the main page for Fire Information for Resource Management System. The Fire Information for Resource Management System distributes near real-time active fire data from moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer on board Aqua and Terra satellites. So you can take your time and read more here. The active fire hotspot data can be viewed from this very link. So you can view that from this link or from this second link, which is NASA World View. However, in this video, our attention is to download the data. So we are going to download it, and it's available in this various format: shapefile, KML, text, and WMS. Our attention is on shapefile, so I'll click on shapefile. So it will open this page and bring us to the section of shapefile, and you can see it has been tabulated. Then we have different platforms like MODIS 1 kilometer, even up to Landsat 30-meter resolution. And if you look at this side, we have different regions of the world that you can download for. We have Canada, Alaska, US, Central America, South America, Europe, and so on. So in this video, let's download for Alaska and also for South America. Also, this is available in 24-hour, 48-hour, and 7-day data. So let's download for 24-hour for Alaska and also for South America. So I'll click on the 24-hour to download it. So the download has started. The download is done for Alaska. I'll also download for South America. After downloading, here are the data. So let's visualize the one for South America. So the first thing is to unzip it. Just right click and click on extract file. Then click on OK. So it is extracted. Now open any of your GIS software. Let's use ArcGIS Desktop. So click on Add Data. Then navigate to that very folder where you have the data. I have it here, and here is it. Click to select it and click on Add. So here is the data. So right click and open the attributes table. In the attributes table, you can see a lot of attributes. You can see the latitude, the longitude, you can see other informations, the date of acquisition, the time of acquisition, satellites, and more informations about this data. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this data to perform various analysis. For example, you can use this data to perform hotspot analysis, which will be the focus of our next video. But in essence, this is how to download fire data and visualize it in GIS environment. Thank you for watching.